This guy is not your typical Wall Street guru. No flashy cars, no wild promises, just charts, logic, and a concept that's changing how people see the Forex market.
It's really just market structure that keeps me afloat. Like once again, like he was saying, the higher time frame is going to show you what direction his price is going to go long term. So it's really just thinking in the back of the mind, like, yo, like, let me believe in the higher time frame. Like, I might see this right now, but like, let me trust in the higher time frame that is going to go to this point. So I think holding my trades really comes down just the basic market structure.
Yeah, so like, how do you like eventually, like, how can I say, like, transition from exiting trades?
ICC Concept is from C in America to the world because it is now a movement. He has been to Amsterdam, he has been to Cape Town in South Africa, and he's going to several other places to show beginner or pro Forex trader that is still struggling with trading, making trading look as if it is something that is so complex that you need to study a lot, Fibonacci retracement, a lot of drawings here and there. He's simplifying and breaking down Forex in a way that understanding the basics can actually make you consistently be a profitable Forex trader without all of those rules that you think it is relevant to your profitability as a Forex trader.
Like, that scalping felt weird because like the way he makes money is like crazy. When I tried it on demo, like I was losing. Like, bro, why scalp when you can hold and make more than that scalping money?
Yeah, I think the same thing.
Yeah, so when I started watching you, and then I'm like, ICC, like, what's ICC? Okay, that's when I started to learn your strategy. So as I was trying it on demo, but then most people, when they start demo, they want to start with like crazy amounts, and in life you have to be realistic. So you have to start with small amount to see how much you can scale it. So as I started to learn your strategy, the only problem that I lacked is how long should I hold it? Like, because remember, it's all about the mind. Because remember, the human body reflects on, if you see you making money now, I feel like, oh, I can like retire my whole family. You stop and cancel that profit. So I'm trying to like, how do you like learn and hold that like psychology of holding?
Most people see him as the guy who decoded the Forex structure and simplified it for everyone to make sense. Of course, it is from America to the world at large. Yeah, he usually have this particular quote that he usually say it is us versus them. Yeah, he's not really into selling anything because he actually trades in millions of dollars.
So I'm not here to sell you a mentorship, to sell you courses, or anything like that. I'm just here to, help you out and teach you how to trade. Best way possible, best way I know. With that being said, I have a $100,000 withdraw, as you can see, $100,000 withdraw, and I make around probably like 300 to 400K a week trading. No signals, no courses, no nothing. But I'm here to teach you and overall just give you some advice. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe and like the video.
You know what? This guy, C, is 22 years old, man. Now, this ICC strategy, he made it simple in the sense that it is simple. Indication, correction, continuation, it is all that. The price pushed towards the top, you understand it as an indication, and then you wait for correction for it to pull back, and then you buy the continuation. It's as simple as that. Now, in case you do not fully understand what I just said, he simplified Forex trading into 3 letters, which represent, one is indication, correction, continuation. The first stage is indication. The indication is where the smart money reveals their intention of going to. So if they make indication upward, it means they are telling you it is going to be bullish, it's going to be buying, it is going to be long, it is going to be up. And the next one is correction, where they hunt liquidity. And then the continuation, where the price continues with the purpose. So it is as simple as this. So if you are still having issues with Forex trading, this guy, C, the ICC Mafia, has actually simplified Forex trading for everyone, including you and other people that are still struggling with a lot of technical jargons and drawings and a lot of information and knowledge, technicalities, complexities, and complications regarding the Forex market. One thing I need you to understand is that this particular strategy, for me to talking about it, it has been working, like it works over and over again, because even in our VIP channel, the people that do not have the confidence to trade for themselves or are trying to raise funds before they understand how to do these things, they are back to back getting signals concerning this. And there's a free Telegram channel, Ovampa community, you can join, where I do drop this signal after we have taken the first profit. Yeah, even today as I'm talking to you, we are currently in this particular trade here that has done more than 150 pips. So the beautiful thing about C is that he did not just talk about it online, but he's now going place to place, teaching people how this trading works. Do you think he can ever come to Nigeria? And the beautiful thing about this is that everybody is now talking about ICC. If you are trading ICC or if you are aware of what I'm talking about, let us know in the comment section. And now this is important, because in a world full of indicators, noise, and confusion, the ICC concept brought clarity. It's not about predicting, it's about understanding structure, waiting for confirmation, and moving with the institutions, not against them. The beautiful thing about ICC is that for you to get it right, you must go with the trend. You must move where the big ballers are moving to, where the institutional traders, where they are buying, you buy, where they are selling, you sell. In that way, you are not going to go against the trend, because it will always backfire if you try it. So to trade with clarity, you need to trade with patience. Trading with clarity and patience means you are trading with ICC, because trading with ICC helps you to strategically follow the market according to its own thing, according to what it is showing you, not you buying because you feel or like to buy, but because the market is showing you here is the right place to buy, you buy. The market is showing you here is the right place to wait, you wait. The market is showing you here is the right place to sell, you sell. The market is showing you, man, I have not decided, stay clear. You stay clear, because like I told my people today, it is better to make one quality trade a week than to make 3 trades and lose 2 and get 1. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Now for clarity, C did not invent Forex, but he simplified Forex trading for everyone who is able to pay attention across the globe. Like, it doesn't matter where you are from. It is simple. Indication, correction, buy, continuation, and then indication, correction, sell, continuation. So it doesn't matter your account size, you can trade ICC, even though it makes sense to even be a swing trader, since you understand that the fewer trades, the more money. So this is how C simplified Forex for everyone. And if you want to get the in-depth knowledge of ICC as clearly as possible, simply click subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share to help other people. Remember to comment ICC in the comment section. You can comment Ovampa Ride-on, you can comment ICC, you can comment ICC structure, comment ICC strategy, and I'll bring more of such for you. Let me know what you're still struggling with as a beginner Forex trader trading XAU USD. But however it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this. Now, if you are trading Forex and you're wondering what broker is the best to use, the one I use is XNES, and you can register with XNES via the link in this channel bio. It has tight spread, you can easily withdraw your funds, and then it gives you instant execution.